Hey guys, welcome back to SvenDesigns video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Fall Guys thumbnail. This game is pretty popular recently. It's definitely a game that broke out. And it's also a really fun game. And today I wanted to show you a way you could make a thumbnail for it. It's just an idea. You can make something similar to it. And I'm going to start right off. I prepared this. Let's see. Just going to choose the background here. So I think I take this one as the background. Just going to choose this one. There we go. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Alright, there we go, there's the background. So I think I'm gonna actually flip this image horizontally. So I'm just gonna do that in transform and horizontal here. And there we go, it goes to the other side pretty easily. So this also looks nice, I think, so that I have the place to put something here. That's why I put it here. So actually let's do that. I'm just gonna search it up. I actually have an image for that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose this guy. This is a skin or a costume that I found. I guess you call it a costume in this game, not sure. But in any case, yeah, just gonna make him bigger. As you can see, the idea a little bit here is that he's in the corner, which works pretty well so far. I think this looks pretty good. Actually gonna leave it like this probably. We'll see later if I have to change it. And I'm actually gonna give him a outer glow. So there we go, I'm gonna go for this outer glow here. Probably just gonna make it white, that will look better. Okay, I think if I put it around here, 92, something like that should be good. Then I also want to add the logo of Fall Guys, because that's, yeah, I think it looks pretty good if you just put the logo in there to make it obvious, even though most people know which game it is. Now, of course, now it's still a little big, so I'm gonna make it smaller. I'm just gonna put it in the right corner, I think. Let's see here. Yeah, I think that's good. Also gonna give this a white outer glow. This one is a little too much, so I'm gonna reduce it a little bit. Sometimes it's hard to find that balance on what looks best. I'm gonna have to go with black, otherwise you can see the ultimate knockout text, which isn't that bad, but I think it's just better if you see everything. So that will mean that I have to rechange this. Let's see. Let me just get rid of these little dots here, they're annoying. There we go. Just gonna keep these two don't really matter and they look good, so I'm just gonna keep those, but this one is gonna get away. There we go. This is a little bit easier. I know that now it doesn't really look good from close up, but from far away, as you can see the thumbnail, it looks good. But we just have to get used to the close up, which is pretty big, but we will see how it turns out. There we go, I think I'm gonna go with 140. Now thirdly, I'm gonna add some text. I'm just gonna say thumbnail tutorial. And I'm just gonna go and use a cartoonish font, which I know which one. There we go, Obelix Pro, I think it's a good one. I'm just gonna make the text white here. Alright, now I'm gonna type tutorial. As you can see, I have to make the text a little smaller because it doesn't fit right now, so I'm just going to see how. So now I'm going to both select them and do Ctrl G. This will make a group. And now I can make an outer glow for both of them. Also going to go for a black outer glow, this one, because the text is white. I'm just going to make it a little bit yellowish. Now, of course, this is a little bit much for the text, so I'm just going to reduce this a little bit. That's good. Let's do this. As I said, I need to make it a little bit smaller because otherwise it doesn't fit in the screen. So let's go ahead and just do it like this. Alright, there we go. And I'm going to add some color to the text here. I'm going to use a gradient overlay with the two colors that are underneath here, which is the yellow and the really bright yellow, I guess it is. Which looks like this, by the way. Just see from distance if it looks good. You don't really see it, but I guess this is all good. You know what, this is fine. Let's just take it like that. And there's a final thing I'm gonna add now, which is pretty important. Because normally I will just change the contrast here and everything, which is also something that will look nice. But now I only need to add a filter above it, and which is a filter that changes the color a little bit. So those are the filters here, as you can see. They are for the colors, different ones that I used for banners. But now as you can see a red one, orange, yellow, all those colors here. And they will basically make everything better in general. It's like a GFX filter, I believe. I'm just gonna go for a white one here, you will see how it looks. And bam, as you can see, it makes it way more professionally just with adding a filter like that. And I think we'll just keep it at this. I think this is enough. This is everything that we needed. Maybe make some little adjustments. But as you can see, the big final image is pretty much here already. Alright, I think I'm gonna leave it at this. I think I could have done it a little better, but I'm quite happy with it. This is definitely how you could make a good looking Fall Guys thumbnail. So in any case, I hope you enjoyed. I hope it helped, of course, to give you an idea on how to make one. And yeah, please leave a like, that would be really nice. And subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.